Hi guys! Today we're going to work on this cute lily flower. You can use them as separate flowers or as group of flowers. You can add leaves. You can stick them to the wall. You can make a garland from them. It's up to you. I'll teach you how to make them. This is a template for the flower and this is for stamens. Both of this you can find in our shop using the link below this video. I use a chopstick to curl all my petals of this one piece template backwards, and this flap goes inwards. Now we add a tiny bit of glue right onto this flap, not folding the flower. We just roll it and glue this flap from the back. That's it. Now we have absolutely clean center of the flower and flap visible from the back. If you plan to work on this flower to create a garland, so the top of the flower will be more likely visible rather than the inside of the flower, you just glue this opposite way and you hide this flap inside. But I work on paper flower, on wallflowers set, so I need just to add stamens. For this flower I decided to cut stamens in same color paper. This actually saves you lots of paper if you cut everything all in one color. And using our template you will find a PDF file where I show how to place all the details on one A4 sheet if you use A4 or letter size papers, and how to make 2 lily flowers out of one A4 sheet paper. So absolutely ergonomical layout. And if you use Cameo machine, you can see the file, the ready to use file for the layout. So now once I rolled all the stamens this way, I just fold each tip outwards this way, and once they are ready I hold this way, apply a tiny bit of glue and glue right inside my lily flower. Don't rush here, just hold for a second or so, and once everything ready you just push all the stamens back together so they look like a bunch, and that's it. You can use same color stamens or different color stamens. You can even add glitter on them. You can use them, you can make them black. It's up to you. If you wish to use these flowers as wallflowers, what you do, you apply a little bit of glue right on our flap just to hide it. You take this circle, it is also included into our template. Press and hold. You place them this way. And you place all flowers onto our circle. Don't forget to hold for a while. And here we go. This is a group of flowers we made. There is a little bit of space in our circle, so you can put a little bit of blue tack or double-sided sticky tape and glue them, stick them to the surface you style this way. It will be pretty secure. You can add a little bit of leaves and a little bit of your imagination. So use the link below to get our templates. They are pretty easy to use. You can cut them with scissors Just maybe only the stamens will be a little bit tricky for you. You also can use this file in studio format using your Silhouette Cameo machine, or also you get SVG file to use with Cricut machine or any other cutting machine which uses SVG files. I would be absolutely happy if you will share photos of your lily flowers with us. Send photos via our email paperprotutorials@gmail.com or to our Instagram paperprotutorials. I will be absolutely happy to share your photos with huge audience of paper flowers makers, and I'm sure you'll enjoy this tutorial and working with our template. Enjoy!